Compare and contrast. These are terms you will hear a lot in college and use a lot. What do they mean? To compare means to explain the similarities, meaning what's the same, and to contrast means to explain the difference, just showing what's different. So now let's look at how to generate some compare and contrast. One common method is the listing method, where you simply just list what is the same and what is different. We're going to compare Diablo Valley College and UC Berkeley and then contrast them. In the same column, they both have a large student population. They both have sports teams, and they both offer lower division classes. I have a separate column for what's different. Diablo Valley College has low tuition. However, UC Berkeley has high tuition. Diablo Valley College offers vocational certificates, meaning certificates for specific work fields. And UC Berkeley offers upper division classes. That's the last 2 years of a bachelor's degree. Some people prefer a method that is more visually graphic. Here we have a Venn diagram. This shows two circles where we would have two objects that we are comparing and contrasting. What is different is on the outside, and what is the same is where the two circles meet. Now we'll use the Venn diagram to compare the two colleges, Diablo Valley College and UC Berkeley. Diablo Valley College has low tuition, but UC Berkeley has expensive tuition. They are both in the Bay Area. Diablo Valley College offers vocational certificates, again, certificates in areas of specific work. They both offer lower division courses, the first 2 years of a bachelor degree. UC Berkeley offers upper division courses. They both have large student populations. DVC awards associate degrees. UC Berkeley awards bachelor degrees. And they both have sports teams. So we see in the outer parts of the circles what's different, and in the middle part what is the same between these two colleges. Now let's use a Venn diagram to compare and contrast 3 different schools. We have Diablo Valley College, UC Berkeley, and Napa Valley College. Diablo Valley College is near a mall. The other 2 schools are not. Napa Valley College has a vineyard. The other 2 schools do not. UC Berkeley, since it is a 4-year university, offers upper division classes. Again, that's the last 2 years of a bachelor's degree. Napa Valley College and Diablo Valley College do not. However, Napa Valley College and Diablo Valley College both have low tuition. But Napa is a smaller college, and Diablo Valley College and UC Berkeley have a large student population, but Napa Valley College does not. However, Napa Valley College has a medical clinic, as does UC Berkeley. Diablo Valley College does not. What do they all have in common? And that's what goes in the center. They all offer lower division classes, the first 2 years of a bachelor's degree. So for some people, this graphic method is preferred, and for others, you can do the listing. It's really up to you. And if you have another way to do it, whatever works best for you to generate compare and contrast is just fine. You can use coordinators and transition expressions for comparison. Here's one very common coordinator, and. And we have transition expressions such as also, further, additionally, similarly, and likewise. You have more options for words to show contrast. You have coordinators, subordinators, and transition expressions. But and yet are coordinators that show contrast. Although, while, whereas, and though are good subordinators that show contrast. And however, on the other hand, alternatively, and in contrast, show contrast. Now let's see these connecting words in action for compare and contrast. Here we have Diablo Valley College is near a mall, but Napa Valley College isn't. Here we see the difference between the two with the word but. DVC and NVC award vocational certificates. Alternatively, UC Berkeley awards bachelor's degrees. So we have DVC and NVC, that shows their similarity, and alternatively shows that UC Berkeley is different. Here we have DVC and NVC have low tuition, yet UCB has high tuition. The yet shows a difference. NVC and UCB have medical clinics, though DVC does not. So we have the and showing how Napa Valley College and UC Berkeley are the same, and the word though showing how Diablo Valley College is different. UC Berkeley has sports teams. Further, so do Napa Valley College and Diablo Valley College. The further shows that there is a similarity. NVC awards associate degrees. Likewise, so does DVC. So that likewise tells us there's a similarity. Although NVC isn't near a mall like DVC, it has a vineyard, whereas DVC doesn't. So that's quite a complex sentence. The although shows that there's a difference, that NVC isn't near a mall. It has a vineyard, whereas DVC doesn't. So we have although and whereas showing 2 points of contrast in this sentence. And we have UC Berkeley has a huge student population. Additionally, so does DVC. In contrast, NVC does not. So the additionally shows us what's the same. In contrast shows us what's different. Napa Valley College and UC Berkeley have medical clinics. However, Diablo Valley College does not. So again, we have the simple word and showing what's the same, and however showing what's different. While UCB has high tuition, NVC does not. DVC also does not have high tuition. So while shows the contrast and also shows what's the same. DVC and NVC offer lower division courses. Similarly, UCB offers lower division courses. On the other hand, only UCB offers upper division courses. So we have the and showing how DVC and NVC are similar, and the word similarly showing how UCB is similar. And then we have, on the other hand, showing how UCB is different. Now it's your turn. Go forth and compare and contrast.